ke boammaruri go ntsalo re Vimampizi o ile o etse bana dinakana botubeng o etse bana dinakana botubeng ka movement ona ba botubeng ke se ka tsopi di gore nyane ba dirile movement e le gore ga twe go bulwe e rile ga o pala ka gore a se pelo e thata ka a bolela ga itlhela a boya ko mapodising gore a ba ta tshoga a tshoga e be ba bona gore ke ngwana bebe ba tshwara thapelo letsatsi le le tlang ke gone ha e tla re ka la bo le lengwe e be a nna mo le mongwe le ba ba busang ba tla ba mo hamadi ya ka ona maitemogala a teng nya ke boammaruri ra go ntsa a se ka a le ka go tshosetsa batho gore o ka tswa a bulesiwa ke modimo nnyaa rra ga go a nalo a se modimo a ke dumele le modimo ile ena mo tshogofatsang ke dumelwa ke maeseke a Muhammad e se modimo nnyaa ntse ke boammaruri gore ke tsotsi ke sala ke bile gore ke tsotsi sengo ke khalema ke re sengo le bo le tsamahela ya nong le lalla mme ha le lla gape re na le lona gape ga go molato ke lla le lona ke Franco le nna ke lela le lona ke tshwana hela le Franco ke lela le lona nya ba ga itso a re ska ra tswa ke revi ke mo diela wa tsotsi o ithatela ibialwa le bananyana ithatela itwala le bananyana a se ka le ka go tsietsa ope ke le ferefere a se ka le ka go tsietsa ope la tsietse nya tswang ho se tsietsege le tsiedwa ke le Batswana mathata a re le mo gona ona re le mo gona ra tsentswe ke ene a pina mo dirading tsa madomgraga a pina thembola bo coming soon ba itagana ka marago ba palama dipikara Batswana e ba tsietse ga e ba hela re le gona ga re le ntere ha ka ene ya no ra re motho e ka re le ha ka ene ha a bo ga pa re na mola a ja sentle ke gore ya te go ira gore tseisa sedidi gore latla ha bona gore nyamela ka ntsana o tla teogile ka pela ta le phutha le latla le khoba marapo a tsa le khobegile marapo ba monela gore monna o bere a ne yalo sengweya ya no ba ga itse a re itlhaloganye go bopa re itlhaloganye re khone re nne botlhale re ska ra tshosetswa ke ditsotsi tsa baruti ba itirang baruti ba ditwetsi ba ba ratang jwala ba ba ratang go ba ba roganang ba ba ratang madi thata ba rata madi Doctor, you can't even advocate for the industry. The reason why my brothers are suffering like this is because of you. The corrupt system, we don't want that after so many years. That is what we don't want. Last time your concern was I don't know. Right now I'm trying to be formal about it. I don't want to go street about it. I want to go formal about it to make sure everybody understands. Or what kind of crook are you trying to blare the vision of the whole system? We don't want the system. You came here claiming to like blare the vision ya ATI, and ATI about just 2 days after about no, that's what I want, this is what you want. When you want money, for now we want change. So that's the difference between you and us. You want money, we want change. So we don't really mix. It's like we like water and oil. Bro, go ahead and just go hard on getting money and leave us alone. Because I think like that you're gonna prosper a lot. Like this, just stick to money getting. Just stick to your money language. We appreciate that. Just leave us alone. Because we really want wealth. We don't want to be rich. You want to be rich. We want to be wealthy. That's the difference between us. So get rich, brother. We'll get wealth. So don't stand in our way with your funny with your funny jokes. This is not a joke, bro. This is not a joke. It's real life. If you think this is a joke, I won't say no more. Go ahead and have those parties. This is the industry suffering. Bosa kopa batho ba hectara ba ira dilo tsa bone tse di thata bo zolasko. Real niggas, real people who are considered about real people. Even ATI too. I would advocate for my nigga. I know he's a real nigga. But you alone, you are the one who bled the whole vision. I know it's you. Everybody know it's you. He's a fake prophet. You always been everything about you is fake, bro. Get the hell out of here with that fakeness. Huh? Get the hell out of here. That's some fake. We're suffering out here, bro. If you was a true brother, you could have refused the money. The last time when I hear about your movement was like, I bullet the industry. Now we have a curfew. But because when you were scared, you are saying you are general. What general? What general? General who pissed on his Louis Vuitton drawers at the police station over a few interrogations, and you piss on your Louis Vuitton expensive drawers. Nigga, what? The fuck out of here, bro, with that fake shit. Fuck out of here, nigga. This is the real shit. Hey, bro, I might say some things I don't want to say. I think I should hold it right here. What I'm saying is that at least now everybody know you fake. You've been lying, you didn't pay. Everybody, what Coming Soon said is true. What everybody's saying, all your dancers, Bokemfa, Bozolasko, everybody who worked with. Why you, bro? Why you? Out of all the people, why you? Why you? Ask yourself, why you? Why is everybody dismantled about? You can't say it's about because you worship Jesus. I love Jesus. Everybody loves Jesus. It's not like you are special about this Jesus thing. It's just you are corrupt and you make moves and you think, bro, the fuck out of here. You gonna fall. As a matter of fact, you already fell. But thanks to the Lord, so that the vision can be for our kids. I don't want my kids growing up looking up to a hypocrite like you. I don't want that. I want my kids to be wealthy. That rich shit, nigga. Look where Ginimbi went, nigga. That's where you go. I'm not trying to judge you, but read it in your Bible, bro. I hope you read your Bible. But anyway, bro, you disappointed all of us. I long seen this day coming, even way back. But I'm thankful that it has come to pass. Now we are into a new chapter, which is to fight, because we get more soldiers now. Because nobody really worships you, because everybody worships God now. Now we can see the vision clear. Thank you, bro. Thank you. Let's go.